Marshal's ready. We're going racing on the sound of the tone in less than 5. Oh, Jay gonna go for a tumble there in the back doubles. Marshall coming the way up the back straight, able to marshal himself, but he'll go almost all the way to the back. Hey, 10 minutes is a long time. Cream will rise to the top. Rod Schumann going to do the triple and reclaim the lead. Caution in the valley and clear. So Rod Schumann doing the triple that time by. It looked pretty easy for him as well. But even still, he'll have Swisher right under his wing. QUAN up to the 3 spot now. Don going to drop a couple on this lap. Jay back up to the 4 spot after going to 12th on lap number 1. Back to 4th. Can he track down this front pack? Because your top 3 are together. Schumann, white and blue. Swisher, yellow, white, and pink. And QUAN, blue, gray, and orange. Oh, Shane tries to ride the pipe, but there's a stake there. Schumann getting popped up pretty high by that first double. Schumann, your leader, through the teardrop right now. And Swisher and QUAN still with him. 3.5 down, 6.5 to go. Lots of racing left here. Don in the 4 spot. Trying to get to this front pack. VUCINA to the 5, and Jay back down to 6. New hot lap 42.8 from Don Hillard. That's a Hillard hot lap. Four and a half down, 5.5 left to go. Schumann about a 2-second lead still. Swisher hanging with him. QUAN starting to drop back a little bit. Don still trying to motor his way up to him. Then it's VUCINA and Drakeford. Then a little gap to Turbo. Turbo bumped into this one, making good progress. Then GODULA up in the 8th spot then. And then it's LAUCKS, Miller, Bush, Big Bill Davis, and Allen is out. .345 left in this one. All got one after the step off, one upside down after the step off, and clear. That's going to cost Turbo 3 spots. 7 down and 3 to go, 7 down, 3 to go. SCHUMANN and SWISHER still 2 seconds apart. There was a lap there where SWISHER was in front, but now we're back to how it was before. And now QUAN is closer again. And Don not out of this one yet either. 2.5 minutes left to go. SCHUMANN, SWISHER, QUAN, and HILLARD, your top 4 pretty far gone. DRAKEFORD in the 5 spot, trying to motor his way up to Don here in the last 2 minutes. And VUCINA in no man's land. Then GODULA and LAUCKS just about 1.5 seconds apart. And Turbo, Davis, Bush, Miller. 1 and 2 across the line right there. SCHUMANN 1.5 up on SWISHER. Minute 20 left to go in this one. SCHUMANN and SWISHER now up to 2.6 between them. SCHUMANN just ran hot lap of the race here with about 1:15 left. SWISHER and QUAN 1.5 seconds apart. LAUCKS and GODULA battling it out there at the end of the back straight. Looks like they may have gotten together. Missed the first part of that. Just saw the marshalling. Oh, LAUCKS upside down on his lid, on his wing. GODULA goes by, Bush goes by, Turbo goes by, Miller goes by. That was a costly wreck. Sometimes you wreck and no one passes you. Sometimes you wreck and everyone passes you. Confucius. Don gonna roll it on the stairs. That'll pretty much end his chance of catching your top 3. And SCHUMANN getting more and more comfortable, up to a 3.1 second lead now. Shane, you got the leader with you. Shane tried to let him by, but they kind of fell into the same line. No harm, no foul. Schumann's got plenty of space. However, QUAN's starting to get to Swisher here, and you heard it, drivers. That was the tone. We're racing the line. And QUAN going to send it through the stairs. One last-ditch effort. Not going to pan out for him. And Swisher going to hang on to that two-spot. QUAN going to finish third. We got 3 more to finish up, all pretty spread out. So the order is going to be Rod taking the win, Brandon Swisher 2, Ben QUAN getting third, Don fourth. And unless something real dramatic happens, it's going to be Greg VUCINA rounding out the podium. Ed GODULA so close to a podium here at the 20th annual, we're going to have to settle for 6th. And Bush, Turbo, Miller, Laucks, and Davis.
All drivers are finished.